Hello again, it's your buddy Dwayne. So today we're gonna learn about lesson 1 in science with your buddy Dwayne. Effect and different types of force on objects, grade 4. Okay, learning objectives. Define force, identify the different types of force, explain the effects of force on objects. So our last video is about math. It's about basic geometric ideas. Do you remember one of those? Okay, let me ask some quick questions. What is an exact location in space? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, correct. Point. What about a flat surface that extends without ends in all directions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. A plane. A straight path of points extending in both directions with no end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. It's a line. So let's go to our lesson. Every day we encounter moving things, our Earth. How does the Earth move? That's the question. Give it 10 seconds. Okay, time's up. And our Earth moves on its orbit and it spins around the sun. For example, revolves around the sun while spinning on its axis. The wind blows the waters of the sea. Every object thrown up in the air falls down. There are some of the effects of force on objects. There are other effects of force on objects. We will be dealing with them in the lesson. Force, push or pull action. You know push or pull action? That is super simple. Push is when you push something and pull is when you pull something. That is called a force. Please take note what is in the screen or what I am saying. Newton, a unit of the force. So Newton is a unit of force. So don't forget to take note and we will proceed to the next one. Net force, combination of all forces acting on an object. So net force is a combinating of all acting forces on an object. Balance force, two forces of equal strength acting in an object in opposite direction. That is a balance force. It's only steady. Like example, a marker is 62 kilograms and a ball pen is 62 kilograms. So that is called a balance force. Unbalanced force is different. It is not steady. One force acting on an object is greater than the other force acting in the opposite direction. So when the marker is 72 kilograms and a magnet is 33 kilograms, the biggest is low because it's much heavier, and the magnet is high because that is much lighter. Friction, force that resists movement. So a friction is a force that resists movement. Excuse me. Electrical force, an attractive or repulsive force between two charged objects. So that is an electrical force, an attractive or repulsive force between two charged objects. Magnetic force that exists between force that exists between two magnets caused by the interaction by their magnetic field. So what is a magnetic force? Force that exists between two magnets. Pull, exert force on something or someone so as cause movement towards oneself. Push, exert force on someone or something, typically with one hand, in order to move them away oneself or the origin of the force that is push. And what is push and pull? Is it a gravity? Is it a force? Or is it electrical force? You're right, you're a genius. It's force. As you can see, it's the first one over here. Force, push or pull action. Let's go now. Let's skip all these things. Okay, now it's game time! So it's only a bit of questions and it's super easy. Say if A, B, or C, or D. I forgot the D. Okay, only 1 to 6 questions, multiple choices. What is gravity? A, force that pulls things towards the earth. B, unit of force. Or C, combination of all forces. We will see the answer in the last page. I'll give it 10 seconds. Okay, next is what's the picture of force in this picture? This is only one. I'll give it 10 seconds again. Okay, time's up. All of these are force except okay, time's up. And here is awaken. A, push, or B, pull. I give you 5 seconds, it's super easy. Oh, I forgot. You need to get your notebook and your ball pen. Or you can just answer via a notebook. Okay, thumbs up. Okay. A chair, a chair. A, push, or B, pull. This is the last question. Oh no, I forgot this. A car that is stuck at the road. Okay, this will be the last question. I hope you answered the last question. A, push, or B, pull. Okay, time's up. Okay, the answers is 1A, 2C, 3A, 4B, 5A, 6B. Okay, so it's B over here in the chair, and 5 is A. Cause I think you might have been confused. So that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you please subscribe and turn on that notification. Then turn on the notification bell and like the video. And keep learning. I'll see you on the next video tomorrow. Bye.